Good morning, students. So let's continue with our chapter, that is admission of partnership. In yesterday's class, we had studied how do we solve and find out the new profit sharing ratio. Even in today's class, we would be continuing the same. So let's start the first problem. Write down. On 1st April 2010, Sahil and Charu shared their profit and losses in the ratio 4:3. Full stop. They admitted Tanu as a partner for 1/5 share, which she acquired equally from Sahil and Charu. Full stop. Sahil, Charu and Tanu earned a very good profit, and so they decided to expand their business. Full stop. To meet the requirement, they decided to admit Puneet for 1/7 share, which he acquired from Sahil and Charu in the ratio 7:3. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. So first let's see what is given in the problem. Sahil and Charu are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 4:3. So they have given us old ratio, that is 4:3. New partner Tanu is admitted for how much of the share? 1/5 share. Itna diya hai. And after that they have said even Puneet was admitted as a new partner for 1/7 share. But before we continue the problem, first we need to find out the new ratio of Sahil, Charu and Tanu, because पहले partnership में कौन आया था? Tanu आई थी. So how do we do it? It is the same way we worked out yesterday's problem. So what will be Sahil's share? Sahil's share is 4/7. How 4/7? They have given us the old ratio. Then we have Charu's share, that is 3/7. And last we have Tanu's share, that is 1/5. Correct? So Tanu acquired share from both Sahil and Charu. How did he acquire? Equally. So it is given in the problem that Tanu got the share from Sahil and Charu equally. So we need to calculate the sacrifice ratio of Sahil and Charu. So first is Sahil. So out of 1/5, half Tanu acquired by Sahil. So 1/10. Then we have Charu, 1/5 into half, 1/10. So now we know the sacrifice ratio of Sahil and Charu. We need to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. We have Sahil, Charu, Tanu. What is the formula? Old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So Sahil's old ratio is 4/7. And what is the sacrifice ratio? It is 1/10. So what is the LCM? 70. 40 minus 7, we get 33/70. Then we have Charu, 3/7 minus 1/10. LCM is 70. 30 minus 7, 23/70. And what is Tanu's share? 1/5. We need to convert the LCM by 70. So how much is it? 14/70. So what is the new profit sharing ratio of Sahil, Charu and Tanu? Please write the full forms. That is 33:23:14. Right? After that they have given us that Puneet was admitted into the partnership firm and he acquired the share from Sahil and Charu in the ratio 7:3. So we already got the new profit sharing ratio of Sahil, Charu and Tanu. अब एक और पार्टनर पार्टनरशिप में एडमिट हुआ है. Who is it? Puneet. For what share? 1/7 share, which he acquired from Sahil and Charu in the ratio of 7:3. So again we need to find out the sacrifice ratio. Calculation of sacrifice ratio of Sahil and Charu. How do we find out? 1/7 share, and how much did he acquire from Sahil? 7/10. 7 divided by 70. Then we have Charu, 1/7 into 3/10, that is 3/70. So the sacrifice ratio of Sahil and Charu is 7:3. Next we need to calculate the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. What is the formula? Old ratio minus new ratio. Sahil, Charu, Tanu and Puneet. What is the old ratio of Sahil? अब कौन सा old ratio देखा जाएगा? Will you see 4:3 or will you see 33:23:14? You will be seeing 33:23:14 because the new ratio after Tanu was admitted was changed between Sahil, Charu and Tanu. So what is the old ratio of Sahil? 33 divided by 70. What is the sacrifice ratio? 7/70. So we get 26 divided by 70. Then we have Charu. 23 divided by 70 minus 3 divided by 70, that is 20 divided by 70. Of Tanu, 14/70, so it remains the same. And last we have Puneet, 1/7, so we need to find out the LCM, 10 divided by 70. So therefore new profit sharing ratio of Sahil is to Charu is to Tanu is to Puneet. Sahil, it is how much? 26/70 is to 20/70 is to 14/70 is to 10/70, that is 26 is to 20 is to 14 is to 10. We simplify it. 13 is to 10 is to 7 is to 5. Clear? We can only simplify the equation when it is divided by a common denominator. तो यहाँ पे it is divided by 2. 2 13s are 26, 2 10s are 20, 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. So this is one of the very interesting sum जिसमें ये दिया है पहले 3 पार्टनर्स, जिसमें ये दिया है पहले 2 पार्टनर्स थे जो साहिल एंड चारू थे, एंड आफ्टर दैट तनु वॉज एडमिटेड. तो कौन पार्टनर हो गए? साहिल इज टू चारू इज टू तनु. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? अ न्यू पार्टनर दैट वॉज पुनीत वॉज एडमिटेड. तो कितने पार्टनर्स हो गए? साहिल इज टू चारू इज टू तनु इज टू पुनीत. सो इन सच काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम व्हाट डू वी डू? पहले तो Sahil and Charu, we find out the new ratio between Sahil, Charu and the new partner Tanu, and after that we find out ratio of Sahil, Charu, Tanu and Puneet. It is the same way we did our yesterday's problem, that is calculating our sacrificing ratio, and then it is to find out the new ratio, that is old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So clear? Write down the next problem. Very, very, very important kind of problem. Anil and Sunil are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. Full stop. They admit Charan as a new partner. Full stop. Anil gives 1/3 of his share and Sunil gives 1/10 from his share to Charan. Full stop. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So what is given in the problem? There are 2 partners, that is Anil and Sunil, whose old ratio is 3:2. They admit Charan. But problem में ये नहीं दिया है Charan को कितने ratio में admit किया है. In all the other problems they had given us when a new partner was admitted, he was for 1/4 share, 1/5 share, etc. But in this problem, nothing has been given about the new partner. Next sentence I have given, Anil gives 1/3 of his share to Charan and Sunil gives 1/10 from his share to Charan. So always remember one thing, whenever they are giving of his share, we need to multiply, and whenever they are giving from his share, we need to subtract. This is a very crucial thing which you need to remember. Say for example, आपका प्रॉफिट है 100, उसमें से आपने हाफ शेयर मिस्टर बी को दे दिया, तो कितना बचा आपके पास 50. एंड इफ दे गिव यू दे फ्रॉम 100 20 is given, so 80 is remaining and 20 is the sacrifice ratio. So whenever they give from his share, it is minus, and whenever they give of his share, it is always multiplied. Clear? So let's write down Anil, Sunil, Charan. So Anil gives 1/3 of his share, तो उसका होल्ड रेशियो कितना था 3/5. Out of 3/5, he has given 1/3 of his share to Charan. So in this case, we need to calculate the sacrifice ratio. 3/5 में से 1/3 he has given to Charan. So how much is his sacrifice? 3/15. What about Sunil? His ratio is 2/5. And from 2/5 he has given 1/10 share. So उसमें से 1/10 we need to deduct. Why we are deducting? Because from 2/5 he gave 1/10 of the share to Charan. So how do we calculate the calculation of new profit sharing ratio? First it is Anil. It is 3/5 minus 3/15. It is LCM, that is 9 minus 3/15, 6/15. Next we have Sunil. In case of Sunil, 2/5 में से they have directly given 1/10 share. That 1/10 share is assumed to be his sacrifice ratio, because from 2/5 1/10 is taken from him. So 1/10. What is the LCM? 10. 4 minus 1, that is 3 divided by 10. Now they have not mentioned anything about Charan. Anil has given this 3/15 to Charan and Sunil has given this 1/10 to Charan. So what will be the total share of Charan? 3/15 plus 1/10. क्या है इसका LCM? It is 30. 6 plus 3, that is 9 divided by 30. So what is the new profit sharing ratio? It is Anil is to Sunil is to Charan. That is 6/15 is to 3/10 is to 9/30. So we need to take the LCM, that will be 30. So 12 is to 9 is to 9. We can further simplify. 4 is to 3 is to 3. So clear? So whenever they have given of his share, we need to multiply and find out the sacrificing ratio. And whenever they have given from his share, it means they have directly given his sacrifice ratio and we need to deduct it. This is a very important problem. So make sure you are very clear with this concept. Write down the next problem. A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2. C is admitted for 1/4 share. Full stop. A and B decide to share equally in future. So इस problem में have they given us how much C has acquired from A or B? No, they have not given. They have just given us the old ratio, that is 3:2. They have given C is admitted for 1/5 share. They have given the new ratio of A and B as equal, that is 1:1. So when they have not mentioned or given how much has the new partner acquired from the old partner, what do? Let the share of the firm be 1. C का शेयर कितना दिया है प्रॉब्लम में? 1/4. So what is the remaining share of the firm? It is 1 minus 1/4, that is 3/4. So this 3/4 C will acquire from A and B. So what will be the new share? So write down calculation of new profit sharing ratio. A is new share, B is new share, C is न्यू शेयर. तो प्रॉब्लम में रिमेनिंग शेयर कितनी है फर्म की? 3/4. एंड क्या दिया है प्रॉब्लम में? दैट ए एंड बी विल बी शेयरिंग द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस इन फ्यूचर. कैसे? इक्वली. सो रिमेनिंग शेयर जो फर्म का है दैट इज इन डिवाइडेड बिटवीन ए एंड बी. सो इट इज 3/4 इंटू 1/2, दैट इज 3/8. 3/4 into 1/2, 3/8. And what is the ratio of C? It is 1/4. LCM निकालो. 8, 2 divide by 8. So what will be the new ratio? It is 3:3:2. Clear? अगर क्वेश्चन में दिया है that we need to find out the sacrifice ratio, क्या फॉर्मूला रहेगा? It is nothing but old ratio minus new ratio. I have already taught you this in the previous chapter, and in the same way even in this chapter we would be working out the sacrifice ratio. So that's all for today. Thank you.